Hello guys. So let's analyze this week trades I have taken. So so I have taken two trades on that is on the gold. So I shared in the Discord. So it is better. I would analyze it here and review how it went. So first trade I took on the Monday. So what is the thought process behind it? I'll share it here. So Monday on this day. Okay. On this day, I have taken trade on gold and I was expecting continuation move because Friday came towards this fair value gap and Monday I was expecting continuation. Okay, but I took this daily profile confirmation before buying. So how it was looking that time? See this thing. Where is the 4 hour chart? So this is the 4 hour chart. The first thing here, the day opened from here. Okay, price came down and it formed the swing point here on this this is 1 a.m candle. 1 a.m candle swept the previous candle low and closed inside, so this is swing point and this candle expanded above this high. That means what? If you see, this is a thick body candle and showing strong momentum, that means this is not manipulation. This is what? This is a breakout candle. That is a continuation signature. Okay, so one thing I didn't like, because like which are this is failure swings. Like see, these lows are close lows. So trading away off of this failure swing is not a good idea. But it is gold on Monday from the past price action. If you'll see, most of the time Monday expanded. Okay, to this all-time high. So that was my anticipation. I was expecting this 9 a.m. candle. See the time is 10:40. This is 9 a.m. candle. I was expecting 9 a.m. candle open low high close. That means what? A bullish expansion candle. So how did I took entry? I took entry on swing formation. Okay, this is the 1 hour candle. It was looking something like this. So what happened actually? So if you see, this candle is 10 a.m. candle. Okay, 9 a.m. is a consolidation. 10 a.m. candle swept this 9 a.m. candle low inside the H1 fair value gap and expanded to these highs. Okay, so this is what? This is a 9 a.m. swing formation. Why? Because this is a H1 and H1 swing formation. That means what? 9 a.m. wick is already formed. This is 9 a.m. wick. Okay, this down close candle with this manipulation, this small wick. This is a 9 a.m. wick. If the wick is formed, so the body now it should expand. This was my idea. And if you see 30 minute we already formed the swing point. See, this is candle 1, candle 2. Okay, so I was expecting candle 3 to should expand. The one more thing I would like to add here. Yes, we do form this order block and we closed above these highs, but we are already taking the liquidity also. So this was something in my mind also. So here I took 1% risk. I reduced my risk. I supposed to take 2%, but I took 1% because of these factors, failure swings, and we already taken these highs, so we can reverse also or we can consolidate. But from the past price action, I have anticipated that Monday should expand. Okay, so if I am expecting this candle, 30-minute candle to expand, how will I take entry? I will take entry in change in state of delivery. Okay, what happened here on this 10:30 a.m.? What happened? Price open, came down and closed above this down close candle. Okay, so I took entry market order here. I placed my stop loss here. Okay, this was 1:2 risk to reward, but I held all this trade towards the all-time high. Okay, this is 1:2 hit, but I didn't book any profit here. So I was expecting price should go to take all-time high. Okay, so this is the trade. This is the trade. It took all-time high on the same day. I was expecting price will take this on the Asia session, but it took on the same day. If you see, this is all-time high. This is a 5 hour trade. I made 5% profit here on my challenge account. This is the first trade I took on the gold on the Monday. Okay, this was very nice continuation trade. And this is the second trade I took. Second trade I took on which day? On 22. So on this day, okay, what I was expecting, I saw this is weekly open low high close. This is Monday open and went up from SMTV silver, and Tuesday expanded to the downside. But one thing is, to take note on, we are coming towards this daily fair value gap. Okay, so price can do many things here. This is a key level. It can retrace, or it can range, or it can reverse. We don't know. So this is not that much high probability, but I confirmed this with you know with weekly profile as well as this daily targets. Okay, so candle profile is supporting the idea small wick. If I am expecting this candle should expand, so I need a small wick. Okay, so I will show you how it was looking at that time. So let me see if I have posted or not. Daily game plan. You let me see on which day. Okay, Wednesday I took this trade. So where is the gold? Okay, here I posted this leaning towards bearishness on and DOL is drawn liquidity's weekly gap. So I was expecting price should at least come because these twos are equal lows. So I was expecting Wednesday should expand at least to this, equal lows or this weekly gap. This was my anticipation, and this is how this candle was looking. Okay, that time. So what was happening actually? Why I took sell trade? If you see, when we come to this daily fair value gap, we are not reversing. What is the reversing signature? V shape. Like price is coming in and going up. V shape. But what we are doing? We came down to this daily fair value. Now we are ranging. Ranging means it is a continuation, and we can take this range low. Okay, if you take range high, then price should come to take range low. At least this is the target, and this was my target. Okay, that's why I took the trade. And what happened? What happened? If you see, this is the 1 a.m. candle. It closed inside the range. From the order block, also we have this fair value gap. So we have fair value gap, we have swing point on the 4 hour, that means was daily week is formed. So I was expecting this 9 a.m. candle to expand. Okay, same logic. So this is the which candle? This is 546. That means this one is the 5 a.m. candle. I was expecting this candle to expand. Okay, so how it formed? If you see 1 hour, what we did, we already formed in change in state of delivery. It is a V shape. If you see expansion going out, expansion coming in. So this is a V-shape reversal. So yeah, it's making sense. At least price should come, take this low. My target was near. I was not expecting a lot of range. Okay. So that was my idea. So what happened here? See, 5M expanded. Here we form the swing point by closing down, and this 5M expanded. Where is the drawn liquidity? This one. Our drawn liquidity is still intact, so we can look to trade continuation. Okay. So let me see. Okay, now we will come to here. Now what happened in gold? Check. So I waited for 8 a.m. open because my trading window is, I think, not I think, 8 a.m. to Newark, I can say, like basically 7 to 11. Okay, this was my trading window, trading session. So when the 5 a.m. open, see, this is the 5 a.m. We form the swing point, and we have SMT. That means what? Swing point. This candle is a candle 2 took candle 1 high on the silver, but failed to takes this in this gold. So we have this one is candle 2. So I was expecting this candle to expand, candle 3 and then candle 4 to expand towards this low. This was my idea. Okay. uh, yeah, so how did I took entry? If I am expecting if I am expecting expansion, what I need, I need a change in state of delivery. Okay, so let me see, where did I took entry? Here. Yeah, so this is a 4 hour. Okay, 4 hour all expanded and closed was bearish. So what I was expecting, I was expecting 9 a.m. also expand. This is the 9 a.m. open. I didn't got any entry here. on this trade. Okay, I took first trade here. I'll show you. Here I took first trade. Okay, on this change in state of play, price went up, strong momentum down, changes. I took entry. I kept stop loss here. This is the first entry I took, but this is a break even trade because not break even. This is here I took 0.5% loss because I trailed my stop loss. Why? When this candle retested this fair value gap close below this down close candle, so price should not come above this high. So I trailed my stop loss here. This is the first trade I took, but it was a 0.5% loss. So no worry, I was still looking to take trades on continuation. So if 5 a.m. expanded to the downside and drawn liquidity is still there, so I can expect 9 a.m. also should expand. So if 9 a.m. should expand, how will I take entry? I'll take entry on this, swing point formation. Actually, here I traded this candle too. If you see, this is the 9 a.m. open. Okay, 9 a.m. what it did? Open high first. Okay, it is a good signature, but this is a big retracement, which I don't like. Okay, but still in my mind, we should not reverse from this failure swing. We should expand to take this loss. This was my idea. So on the 10 a.m. here on this candle, I was expecting open, high, low, close. That means this candle should form swing point. Here we have this nice confirmation with SMT, and I took take trade here on 1 a.m. expecting 1 a.m. candle 2 should expand to form the wick. Okay, see this thing. Here on 30 minute also same thing. Okay, we are forming this candle too. So I traded this candle too. How? I took a little bit extra confirmation. So what happened here? Train AM open. Okay, we form the SMT, we close below this down close candle. Here is the first entry. I didn't took, I waited for this market structure shift and so for fair value gap. When price was showing some kind of momentum and have the fair value gap, I took trade here on the fair value gap and I placed stop loss above this high because this is a protected high. We have SMT, price should not come above this high. Okay, and I was targeting I think 2.3 or something because I have to pass this fund challenge. Okay, so this was the last trade. I took 2% risk here. Okay, and this is what happened. So this was a nice delivery. Price came to this equal lows, and from there it reversed or ranged. That does not matter. But this was our target mid. If you see all up close candle held the price here. Up close candle price held the price. Up close candle held the price. Up close candle are holding the price. That means was it's a good continuation move. Here I made 5%. Okay. So this week I took three trades. One is 0.5% loss, one is 5% profit, and another one is 5% profit. This one, yeah, this one. So I think on an average I made 8% in three trades, and I passed my funded account here. Very good trade on the gold, and I this is my the ongoing challenge I shared here. If you see, yeah, this is the certification. I passed this phase one of 15K. I earlier passed, 1 year before that time. I had no idea about, trading. Yes, I have the idea, but I don't have defined strategy. I was trading randomly. Yeah, my risk management was good because I was playing conservative. And I passed that account 1 year before on phase two. I didn't make it, and I blew that. Then after same exact 1 year, I passed another phase one, on 15K. So, but this time the mindset and trading strategy, risk management is far better than the earlier one. So these are the some keynotes I have taken. So why I passed this account? Because I restricted myself trading only New York session. Okay, follow the same strategy. Risk management I can say good risk management protocol. I don't do you know I don't risk more actually 1 to 2% if I am up from my initial amount. So I stick with it. 1 to 2 risk to reward work for me. Traded gold most of the time, 60% of the time, and long I have 76% time I have long. Okay, and then short and pairs in watch I have gold, EU, GU, and GJ. So these are some points I have taken, and I will keep following the same, and I'll try to pass this phase two, where I have to make 5%. Here $750 dollar. Okay, to pass this phase two. So I will do the same thing, and I'll keep you posted here, and hope for the best. Let's see. what the market will offer on the coming week. I'll share this weekly outlook on the Sunday. Thank you.